We're gonna try this, guys. Mag-fry na tayo ng fish tofu. We have some dodo, fish cake. And then we have some linguine yung ginamit ko. Try natin, whatever. We have the red curry paste. We have the cocoa milk. And we'll see kung ano mangyayari dito. Nami! Okay, we gave up, guys. Hindi siya yung ano.
Yeah, kasi hindi
masarap.
Hindi namin nakuha yung mga tamang ingredients.
So we're just gonna have this for breakfast. Tapos coffee. Tapos kakain na lang kami mamaya sa ano, laksa. Guys, look at the dog. Alagang-alaga siya. Lagi siyang may higaan dyan. Tsaka ang komportable ng tali niya, no?
Tapos malinis siya lagi.
Ang bait niya. Minsan pag malamig or umulan, nakakumot yan.
Malinis.
Nakakumutan siya. Cutie bear. Oh. Ano yung pangalan niya? We're on our way to Robinson's Place, Manila, just to chill and hang out. So, kakain kami maybe sa... Saan tayo kakain? Tim Ho Wan or...
Why or?
Tim Ho Wan. Tapos I'm craving for... Sans Rival ba yun? Sans Rival sa...
Sans Rival.
Contis. Tapos... Yeah, we're just gonna chill. And we're probably gonna watch Deadpool. Di ba, B? Kasi sabi ni Mark maganda daw yun.
Deadpool.
Alam mo ba kung anong type ng movie siya?
Marvel siya. Action comedy daw.
Alright. I can watch that.
Deadpool.
Hindi ko pala masyadong na-curl tong hair ko. Next time na lang. Basta pag ganun siya, okay na eh. I love it. New vlog is up, guys. Don't forget to watch it. And then later on, I'll be uploading like a snippet of the... Parang preview of the ball pit. By the way, guys, we already announced the winners of the Boogies giveaway. So, 10 winners yon. And we're gonna try to figure out kung paano natin siya ibibigay. Like yung GCs. Kasi yung shipping medyo... Basta, isipin namin kung paano. Basta, email nyo ako. I actually received emails na from some of you guys. Iba-validate ko lang yung kailangan match yung name nyo. Match yung name nyo sa ID. So, yeah. We're playing music with our JBL Charge 2. Anong kanta to, B? Ganda.
Syrup.
Love it.
Yung mga song na yun yung background music nila sa vape na video.
Having lunch here at Tim Ho Wan with Mark. We miss Tim Ho Wan. Pero ang in-order namin is yung usual. Pork buns, chow mein, stir-fried noodles, tapos na-try namin yung barley water. Ano ba? Walang vermicelli. Yun. Daming taas ang mga yun. Darling!
Ayun ba yung food?
So, anong napansin mo sa skin mo? Nilagyan kita ng... Binlag kita, tulog ka na. Nilagyan ko. Hindi, totoo!
Binlag mo ko
na tulog. Di ba bongga? Kasi nag-dark yung dito ni Mark. Kaya mo ngayon naging okay siya. Naging okay, no? Tsaka malamig, tama ba? I want something hot, guys. So, I ordered the congee. This is really good. Very simple, pero ang sarap. Natikman mo na ba ito? Parang hindi pa. Nakakabusog siya. I love it. This is the barley water. First impression na lang.
Sarap. Promise.
First impression.
Sarap, di ba? Parang parang gulaman na white. Di ba?
Parang coconut.
Oo, medyo ganun. Sarap.
My favorite buns. Pork buns. Yes. Mark's favorite. Go. So we bought the tickets for Deadpool. We're gonna watch it later on. And while waiting, kasi ano hours to showing it, darling?
8:10.
8 something pa. So, we're here at Red Mango. Of course, I'm having my favorite yogurt, guys. And I have strawberries and Fruity Pebbles for my toppings. And we also got some cakes from Conti's favorite, yung Mark Turtle Pie. And then, of course, my favorite, which is Sans Rival. Yumminess. Oh, yes. Uy, maganda yung lagayan. Hindi yung matatapon, ha? Nagkukulig ako ng mga ganitong lagayan, eh. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Waiting na lang for the showing of Deadpool. Anyway, we're here at Taters, whatever. Last week na dito kami na Mark, diba? At bumili na naman kami ng Pop. Ang laki nga ano. Pero share naman kami ni Mark, so okay lang yan. Look at it, guys. It's so huge. Nacho cheese, Nabi. Nacho cheese. And then we have a large lemonade, darling.
Yeah.
Nani. And we have the tickets. And this time, we're going dito kami. Kasi last time, di ba saan?
Luma.
Sa kabila. Ayaw ko sa Luma. Deadpool was so good, guys. Di ba, B?
Yeah.
Sobrang ganda. And now we're here at Chikungo Ramen. We're gonna have a little bit of midnight snack. Robinson's Vanilla din. Ang ganda na yung feeling ko. Wala ba to sa mga ano, B? Wala to sa mga review ng ramen?
Wala ko na yan. Hindi ko na.
Hanggang 11:30 sila, so bongga. Oh, may cheese ramen sila, B.
Meron yan. Parang,
Oh my gosh, mukhang masarap.
yeah. Meron din silang kakigori. Ganyan. Shaved ice. Mukhang maganda sa picture. Looks yummy.
Mark's using the JBL charger for a charger. So, hindi lang siya speaker, charger din siya. So, that's super bongga, di ba? At mamaya, mag-play tayo ng magandang song na gusto ko. Anong title niya?
Syrup.
Syrup by
Stuwo.
Stuwo. We were supposed to go to Boogies, pero nakita namin open pa no, so ito na lang, medyo mas malapit. And medyo ano pa yung gamit yung Mark. We have the shoyu ramen, guys. Oh, it looks so good. Parang sa Japan lang na parang ang laki ng spoon. Ay, I miss Japan.
So, kaya ko lang ganyan.
Mark has something. Ano sabi ni ate?
Huwag ko daw haluin.
Why?
Hayaan ko lang daw ganyan siya.
Bakit?
Para daw malasahan.
Ganon.
Yeah.
We have the
So, ganito, kainin ko na ng ganito, hindi ko na haluin.
gyoza.
Okay.
Huwag mong galawin mo na, bis. Picture muna tayo. And then we have the... Anong tawag sa ate?
Yakichi-san.
Yeah, okay. Finally back home, and we got our package from Delicious Diet PH for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Di pakiraf naman to. Medyo matagal siya nakaiwan sa baba kasi. And then I also got a package from Everbilena. I'm so excited because they have like a lot of new products and we're gonna do videos on them. Meron din si Caroline. That's it for today's vlog, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Ang flat ng hair ko. Di, babay ka na dito. Ay, 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 ay. Bye!
Bye!